Are you having trouble with the text me button? Does it not work when you're texting from your phone? We can fix that. The first thing you want to do is to log in to the vCard editor and click on the card that you need to fix. And then you simply need to go to this Contact Info tab. Click on the Contact Info tab and let's scroll down and find the phone numbers. Your phone number needs to have the Text Me button checked. If this is unchecked, then it will not text. So you need to choose the number that you want to have as your text that you want to text to and make sure that that's checked. If that's checked, then it will work. Scroll down and you will want to click Save. And then finally, as always, you'll want to scroll up and you're going to need to click Publish so that that change has been made live. Thank you for watching.